that awful that on the day that you're about to go for a ride, one of the first things that runs through your head is, I wonder if my bike will start? Now luckily this bike is never ever giving me any kind of trouble that way. It's just that it's been sitting so damn long between rides. It makes me wonder if the battery would ever go dead. It's been weeks. One thing that this confirms for me though is I need to give up on these calipers. These stock calipers, you can make them work all right if you really put effort into bleeding them right and all that, but there's obviously some kind of minuscule minor air leak somewhere, so small that it doesn't leak any fluid externally, but it does pull air in over time gradually. I guess it could be the lines too, but I already have calipers at home from a ZX-14 that I used to run on my ZX-12. So I think it's time I rebuild those and bolt them up. Oh, I'm not the first one here. We've got a plan in place. I don't even know what time it is. Well, it's definitely not 9 o'clock. Obviously, I didn't set that yet. How awful is that? We're in like mid to late July and I haven't even set the clock on the bike yet. So I think Nova Scotia it is. Take a little rip down to Sunrise Trail. Haven't done that in quite a while. Coming up on another little milestone for the old girl. 35,999. There we go, 36,000 kilometers on her. And the cylinder head's only been off once. Amazing. I figure we skipped the highway. Wish we could actually skip the highway in real life too, but we can at least do it on video. Whoa. There's a gas station here. I'm gonna check this out. I didn't see this before. Alright, here we go again. Now we'll be crossing a provincial border again here. First time I've done that since, I don't know, last summer or last fall sometime. People are telling me it's pretty painless at the moment, but we'll see. Empty boots. This is a safety. Burn the boot to the ground and never do it again. I haven't done much riding period this year, so it's not like I'm totally fed up of New Brunswick roads at this point, but I still miss Nova Scotia. It's nice to be riding here again, especially out along the water today. It's pretty hot out. As soon as you get near the water, you can feel that cool air coming in. Some cows for Tracy. Since I've been leading this ride so far, I better pay attention to where we're going to. Since, you know, there is an actual route planned. Knowing me, I'll ride right by where we're supposed to turn in here. Alright. We made the turn. Didn't go the wrong way. Things are looking up. Nothing shiny caught my eye. See, remember there was some lovely little bumps along here. Yeah, this was a nice one. Or at least it used to be. Now it's just a car in the way. Not even a fan of the speed limit, eh, folks? That's the worst thing about these funner roads. They're not usually great for passing. You don't get very good line of sight. What the hell? Oh my God. You know, I like trucks. I own and drive one, but I don't like riding behind them. They block a lot of your view. Is that water that just hit my visor? Tell me we're heading for rain. Man, I have a hard time going anywhere down here without seeing cops. Crested a hill back there, and there they were. Luckily, a big old handful of brakes saved us there. Nice. That old Gixxer wasn't built yesterday. A little fuel and a stretch right across from Oxford's giant sinkholes. Get a little bit of rain sprinkles here. And the rain that was supposed to show up back home at about 8 o'clock has been bumped up to about 5 o'clock. So now I think we're at risk of getting wet. Haven't been through here in quite a while. Too many white cars today. Whether they be actual police or just look like police from a distance. Especially white cars that are parked in places that, you know, look like a nice place to catch speeders. Who the hell parks their white car and leaves it there? Come on now. Look at white trucks, come on. This road has another turn that I definitely gotta remember. I've missed it in the past. Big town of Spring Hill. A long time since I've been through here too. It's just a common theme for every ride. It's been a long time since I've been here. It's been a long time since I've done this or that. Nova Scotia loves adding directions to the names of their places. East, South, Hampton. Like an older generation Beamer gone by. I suppose it might not be that old though. Damn. Messed up the pace, dude. You're not ruining them all, man. Sorry. Positive. Is that a message or a blood type? road heading back to Amherst is really starting to get a little rough. Still smooth as can be by New Brunswick standards, but you know, by Nova Scotia standards, it's getting rough. Ooh, that crossing's seen better days. Well, we're approaching New Brunswick. Still just a couple of sprinkles of rain. Is this another one of those situations? There's a bike behind me, better floor it. Look at this nonsense. A waste of time and resources. Traffic backed up almost to Allac. That actually might be right to Allac. I couldn't see it around the corner. It's nice to see New Brunswick's booths pulled up and out of here. Should have been gone long ago, but at least they're gone now. Well, it looks like the rain is starting to pick up a little bit, since in my current configuration the GoPro is not waterproof. I best be pulling over here and getting that put away. So I guess that's where we'll call this one. Nice to get back out. Definitely nice to get to Nova Scotia. So go ahead and like the video and subscribe and all that nonsense, and I'll try to get home without getting too wet.